Hi everyone! Today I'm going to cook Ukrainian potato pancakes. They are called Deruny or Tertyuhy. Different regions of Ukraine have their own cooking recipe. I will prepare a classic recipe for potato pancakes. Let's start. For this recipe we need 5 medium potatoes and 1 medium onion washed and peeled. Grate the potato on large holes. Grate the onion on small holes. Also, you can use a food processor. Squeeze the potato and onion with your hands. By the way, if you are new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Then add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, or you can use any kind of flour. Half teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and 1 egg. Stir all ingredients together. After that, heat a pan with oil. Spread a tablespoon of the potato mixture and cook for about 2 minutes on its side until golden brown. When they're ready, drain them on a paper towel. Repeat this process with the remaining mixture. They're usually eaten with sour cream, but you can add sauce to your taste. And now the taste test. I want to show you what's inside of this. They're soft in the inside and crispy on the outside. I recommend you try these pancakes. They're delicious and easy to prepare and are good for breakfast or lunch. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.